U by Moen Shower can be turned on by using the controller right in the shower. Simply press the power button to turn the shower on or off. The shower will turn on the first outlet at a default temperature of 100 degrees. You can also turn on the shower by simply pushing the preset 1 or 2. The number will glow to show that the selected preset is active. To pause the shower, tap the outlet buttons to stop the water flow. The U by Moen controller responds by telling you the water is paused. To restart your shower, simply press any of the flashing outlet buttons. The shower will return to your previous settings. U by Moen Shower, the shower designed just for you. Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life.